Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be seeing how to start with blogging. So blogging can be a great source for both active as well as passive income. So before anything else, why blogging? So from the point of view of business and marketing, blogging is a great source for increasing the online visibility of the business, for building the brand trust, and is also very much helpful in communicating the products for especially for the small businesses to the audience, to the customer. And also it is very much helpful in skill development such as writing skill, researching skills, communication skills, marketing skills, which overall boosts the creativity of the individual. Not only this, but blogging also provides great networking opportunities and also the financial benefits. And before starting with anything else, be clear that blogging is a game of patience and consistency. It might take some time for your blogs to become people's reader highlight, so be patient. As slow and steady wins the race. Let's start with the steps of starting with the blogging. So, step number one is choosing your niche. So, it is very much important to choose a niche that is of your interest area. Choose a domain in which you can be consistent because it's only the interest area niche that can keep you consistent with your blogs. And nowadays, we witness on net people searching the blog topics that can easily be monetized. But according to me, that's not the correct way of choosing the niche. So choose the niche that is of your interest area because there are multiple topics. You can choose fashion, lifestyle, travel, healthcare, tech, self growth, motivation, etc. etc. Like I have my strong inclination towards finance related topics and also the self growth and the motivation topics in which I tell my personal stories. So that's how I selected my niche, that what is in my interest. And that's only the thing that keeps me consistent with my blogs. So, step number two is content, like literally quality over everything. Make sure that your content is well researched, it should be based on facts, and it also must be information or knowledge provider. And you can use n number of tools for writing your blogs. Like for my finance related blogs, they require a lot of research. So for that, I use simple Google search and also various AI tools like Gravity Write, ChatGPT, Write Sonic, Grammarly, and there are n number of tools to use for that. And also, like for my self growth or development related blogs, in which I actually convey my experience. So I prefer not to use any kind of these tools because that is what brings the personalization in the blog and it actually delivers the story that I want to convey. So the basic point is that you can use any number of tools. So use like smart tools and build your content. So now the content is ready. So step number three is where to write it. So when I started with my blogging journey, I used the tool Blogger. And it is very simple to use. The basic settings are also very easy to understand. And also there is a layout option in which you can choose the theme of your blog, which can be as per your topic choice. And also there is an option of post where you can write the blog, and also along with that there is an option of preview where you can actually see how your blog is looking with the theme or the layout that you have chosen, how's the content looking, the alignment. You can check all of that and also customize it as per your choice. Then directly click on the publish button and your blog is ready and published. Everything is ready. Now the most important step, that is step number 4, is to bring audience to the blog, which is obviously the most important part of the whole blogging journey. So for this, use the appropriate marketing strategies. For that, you can publish your blog on various sites like Medium, WordPress, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. And also you can reach out to audience using your social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, etc., etc. And also you can use your media very wisely, and make sure to use your LinkedIn connections and network very very wisely, because that can be a very great tool for progressing in your blogging journey. Because on LinkedIn you can either directly publish your blog, or also you can market your blog using the post. And also you can actually reach out to the like-minded people who actually might have interest in your blog via LinkedIn. And not only this can also help you in grabbing the blogging or content writing related jobs or internships. So it is a very much helpful tool, the LinkedIn. So basic thing is that keep improvising over your content and the strategies to reach out to the audience, and you're good to go. And now I hope that you know that blogging isn't a rocket science, it's just about starting. And now if you write blogs or if you start writing blogs, you can share the link in the comment section and I will be very happy to read another marketing strategy. So happy learning.